time for it to reappear.
Hello! Oh my god, I'm so excited for Vlogmas this year. It's felt like a year in the waiting, hasn't it? This entire year has been building up to Christmas time and it's finally here. So I film all of my Vlogmas videos a day in advance, which means I've just finished filming day one of Vlogmas, which will be up at 7 AM. But I wanted to share our full intro. For those of you that didn't see it last year, I actually had all of my videos on the other channel, and Emma and I did something that I called Vlogmas Eve, which was effectively Vlogmas all through November, and then I carried it on somewhat through December. This year, Emma is not going to do daily vlogs. She's decided to do them weekly because that seems to be what works for her and her audience. But I am going to be here every single day with a vlog or a live. Most of the time, 99% of the time, it's going to be a full vlog. But I do like to throw in the live occasionally because I am still working from home. But yeah, hopefully that has got you in the festive mood. There are some vlogs. I think Emma did a really good behind the scenes vlog of when we actually filmed that last year. Once upon a time when we were allowed to be together. It was a lot of fun. We've never done anything like that before, and we've often said we'd quite like to have a jingle for Christmas, so I'm going to continue to use it, the shortened version, our little Lego one if you remember it. But it's not Vlogmas Eve this year, it's regular Vlogmas, Vlogmas 2020, Vlogmas not as we've known it, but it will be here before you know it. 7 AM, set your alarms, I will see you then.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hanging by the fire.